How to file an injury claim for a food poisoning incident. Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to walk you through the process of filing a personal injury claim for a food poisoning incident. If you have got a sick from food at a restaurant, grocery store, or any other place, and you believe it was caused by food that was not prepared, stored, or handled properly, you may have the right to seek compensation. Food poisoning can cause severe health problems, and it's important to understand how to protect your right and pursue a claim for the injuries you have sustained. Let's break down the steps you need to take if you are considering filing a personal injury claim for food poisoning. And step 1 is understand what continuous food poisoning is. Before filing a personal injury claim, you must first understand what constitutes food poisoning. And first is bacteria. Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria are some of the most common bacterial causes. And virus. Norovirus and hepatitis A can also lead to foodborne illness. And parasite. Protozoa, worms, and other parasites found in contaminated food can cause food poisoning. And toxins. Improperly stored or handled food can lead to toxins forming, causing foodborne illness. Knowing the cause of the food poisoning is essential because it helps identify the responsible party and proves the validity of your claim. And second is seek medical attorney immediately. If you suspect that you have food poisoning, your health should be your top priority. Visit a doctor or healthcare professional as soon as possible to get diagnosed and treated. Not only will this help you recover faster, but it will also create a record of your illness, which is critical for your personal injury claim. And the step third is document the symptom and timeline. As you recover from food poisoning, it is important to document the symptoms and the times of your illness. Keep track of. And first is when symptoms first appeared, and the type of symptoms you experienced, and the severity of the symptoms. And fourth is your treatment. Having detailed records of your symptoms and treatment timeline can significantly strengthen your case if you decide to file a personal injury claim. And step fourth is identify the source of the food poisoning. One of the most critical steps in filing a personal injury claim for food poisoning is identifying the source of the illness. In order to hold someone accountable, you need to show where the contamination food came from. First is restaurant or food establishment, and the grocery store, and home prepared food. You may need to contact your local health department to confirm the source of the contamination. They may be able to investigate further if other people were affected by the same food or restaurant. And step 5 is report the incident to the authority. Reporting the food poisoning incident to the authority is an important step in both protecting your health and potentially strengthen your claim. Here is what you should do. And first is local health department, and second is restaurant or food producer. By reporting the incident, you not only protect other from potentially harm, but also build a case for your personal injury claim. And step 6 is gather evidence for your claim. To prove that the food caused your illness and that the responsible party should be held accountable, you need to gather evidence. Here is what you should focus on. First is receipt. Keep the receipt from the restaurant or a store where you purchased the food. If you are filing a claim against a restaurant, make sure to note the time and date of your meal. First is receipt, and second is witness statement, and third is health department reports, and fourth is medical record. The more evidence you have, the stronger your claim will be. And step 7th is hire an experienced personal injury lawyer. Food poisoning claim can be complex, and it's important to have an experienced attorney on your side. A personal injury lawyer specializing in foodborne illness will help you. First is access the strength of your case and navigate the legal process, and third is negotiate settlement. Hiring the right lawyer can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. And eighth is filing the personal injury claim. The claim will seek compensation for medical expenses, lost wage and pain and suffering, and punitive damage. And ninth is settlement or trial. Going to trial can be time consuming and stressful, but it may be necessary if the responsible party refuses to offer a reasonable settlement. In conclusion, filing a personal injury claim or foodborne illness involves several important steps, including seeking medical attention, documenting symptoms, identifying the source of the contamination, reporting the incident, the gathering evidence. With the help of an experienced attorney, you can pursue compensation for your injuries and get the justice you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with an question. Thanks for watching and stay safe.